Hi, my name is Anish. I am father of Sayansh Dhiman. He is in grade 2B and he has been in this school since last 3 years. I think this is the third year in Mentor International School. If I'll say about the school, it is definitely a very good school for students, as I have seen the good performance in my kids' behavior, his learning, his physical activity. The infrastructure of school is very good, security wise and sports facility wise. It's very good. And as a parent, I am very much satisfied with the school. Secondly, I would like to share one quote, like not a quote, one experience I was discussing with my child that I am going to change your school this year. He said, no, 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 Papa, I want to stay in this school. I love this school. I love the friends. I love the environment. So it shows that the school has provided good, friendly environment to the children, and he is growing well in this school and learning good. Thank you so much.